Automatic import of data to the dana.gov.pl portal based on XML files. Are you going to frequently update your data on the dana.gov.pl portal? Are you planning to publish data from an XML file? Use the feature that allows you to automate this process and add data based on an XML file. Data on the portal can be automatically fed using information contained in an XML file. An XML file contains all the metadata needed to create or update a dataset and make data available on the portal. A data file is identified by its URL address in the source created by the data provider. Depending on the instruction given in the XML file, the portal software downloads the file and places it in the portal's resources or saves a link to this file in a remote location. First, prepare the XML file according to the XSD schema. Next, give a name to the XML file in accordance with the adopted convention. Do not use spaces in the name. And at the end, add the .xml extension. The XML file will have a fixed name determined as a string of characters without spaces. Each new version of the XML file that you prepare within the same source of data will have the same name. Then, prepare a file containing an XML file checksum calculated using the MD5 algorithm. Based on the .xml file, a checksum hash is generated. Paste its value into the MD5 file. Now put both files in the determined location. This is the server where you store files intended to be downloaded later by the dana.gov.pl portal. Next, send a request for automatic data import on the dana.gov.pl portal to the portal administrator at contact@dana.gov.pl. The request should include name and surname of the person submitting the request, name of the provider, URL specifying the location of the XML file containing data on all the datasets, and resources for the given source and the MD5 file. In the request, specify also the frequency with which the data are to be updated: daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. When a file is being added, the administrator checks the correctness of the XML file. If the file is prepared incorrectly, the administrator will see a message about which you will be informed. You should then correct any errors present in the file. The solution that we have created will help you update data on the Open Data portal. Starting the procedure of adding data from an XML file requires notification of and interaction with the administrator only at certain stages. The whole process is automatic. Just remember that the prepared data files must comply with the technical standard. It is important that, during each update, validation of the files be successful and end with a positive result.